Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Some exciting videos coming up starting from Saturday. We are going to be doing some thorough coin reviews, and with the new machine that we have got, the new Andon Star, we are going to be able to go more in depth, look at these coins like never before. They really are going to reveal quality on the designs that probably we can't really see with our own eyes. We're going to be able to zoom in on every single commemorative coin and maybe find mint marks that we have never really seen before. Just looking at a few Olympics over the course of the last few hours, it really is incredible just how much design work has gone into these when you really do zoom in so close. We will be doing 5 coins in each of the close-up coins reviews. Again, we do close-up coins the game where you have to try and guess them. There's going to be plenty of them coming up, don't you worry about that. And it will be in really nice HD quality, so even though they'll be zoomed in loads, it won't be blurry like they may have been in the past. Again, there's going to be 5 close-up coin reviews in every single one of the videos. We're going to just do them every Saturday. And again, I am going to leave it up to everyone at home what coins you would like to see in those reviews. Again, a lot of you will know about the coins in general. You probably know who's designed them as well. But again, what coins would you like to see zoomed in super close to kickstart this new series on Saturday? Again, just like the tennis ball on the Olympic coin, they've even roughed the edges up on purpose for the coins designs. And again, once we get into these coins closer than ever, there probably will be design features that a lot of us never even knew existed. So get the 5 commemorative coins that you would like to see first of all in the new series starting Saturday. If they want to be world coins, please let me know, and if I've got them, I'm more than happy to do so. Have a great evening, everyone. This is definitely a series I am looking forward to. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.